Welcome back to Beautyistic. I'm excited to dive into today's review. We're taking a closer look at the Wall Mount Salon Station, a sleek and functional storage solution designed for beauty salons and home setups alike. Whether you're a stylist or someone looking to organize your beauty space, this could be the perfect addition to your setup. Let's see how it stacks up. This Wall Mount Salon Station is crafted to make your space more efficient with a large 14.56 by 28.7 inch drawer and a 14.56 by 36 inch tabletop that provides ample space for storing sprays, mousses, and other essential salon tools. It also includes 3 holes, perfect for hair dryers, curling irons, and similar styling tools. This salon station is made from high-quality density board, promising sturdy construction and durability. The black wood grain finish gives it a glossy and attractive look, while the smooth surface makes it easy to clean. Whether it's a busy salon environment or a home setup, the design promises both practicality and style. Now let's talk about the real-world experience. Setting up this salon station was surprisingly easy. The instructions were clear, and the pieces fit together well, with no frustrating hiccups during assembly. Once mounted, the station is securely attached to the wall, so there's no concern about it toppling over or taking up valuable floor space. I really appreciated the thoughtful design that maximizes storage. The drawer has plenty of room for all sorts of tools, and the 3 holes are ideally placed to keep your styling tools organized and easy to grab. As for performance, I found the salon station to be sturdy and functional. The size of the drawer and tabletop is just right for a variety of tools, and I didn't feel cramped or limited in my workspace. The black finish gives it a professional, polished look that would fit well in almost any setting, whether in a salon or home bathroom. The one downside, however, is that the drawer doesn't have any internal dividers, which can make organizing smaller items a bit tricky. It would be a nice addition if the drawer offered more compartments or customizable sections. In terms of pros, this station shines in its space-saving design. The wall-mounted feature is ideal for those working with limited floor space or looking to declutter. The build quality is solid, and the glossy finish provides a modern touch that elevates the overall aesthetic of the space. On the flip side, the lack of drawer organization might be a concern for some, especially if you like to keep things neatly separated. Additionally, while the material feels sturdy, it's not as high-end as some wood-based salon stations, so it's worth considering if you're looking for a more luxurious feel. Now, let's get into whether this salon station is worth the price. With its solid construction, ample storage, and sleek look, it's definitely reasonable for those looking for a practical salon station. However, if you're after something with more premium materials or additional features like customizable drawer sections, you might find this station a bit basic. For the price, it's a fair choice, but you may want to weigh the pros and cons depending on your specific needs. Compared to other salon stations in the market, this one stands out for its wall-mounted design and modern look. Many similar options in this price range focus more on floor space rather than vertical storage, making this a great pick if you need to save room. That said, more expensive models tend to have more customization options for storage or better materials, so if budget allows, that could be something to explore. When it comes to build quality, the materials are decent. The density board construction holds up well to daily use, and the smooth surface is easy to wipe down after use. As far as longevity goes, it's a solid choice for a few years of regular use, but it may not withstand extreme wear and tear, as well as higher-end models made with wood or metal. While I didn't personally interact with customer support, the company does offer assistance if you encounter any issues during assembly or after receiving the product. Their commitment to helping customers is a good sign, though it's not something I can speak to from personal experience. If you're on the lookout for a budget-friendly option with decent storage, this salon station might be the right pick for you. But if you're looking for something more luxurious with additional features, there are other alternatives out there that may suit your needs better. To wrap things up, the Wall Mount Salon Station does what it sets out to do. It's sturdy, space-saving, and practical with a sleek, modern design. While it could benefit from more organizational features and premium materials, it offers a solid balance of functionality and value. This would be great for someone starting out in a home salon or a small professional setting where space is tight. Is this review helpful to you? If it was, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that other beauty enthusiasts can find this review too. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, you can find the link to this product in the comments box. If you already own one or have questions, drop them down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Till next time, stay stylish and keep it beautyistic.